What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into something awesome. Laura Trompetter plays the typewriter. I've heard that it's like one of these people who aren't conductors are learning how to become a conductor or are competing to be the best conductor. The conductor for this one was Leona Filippo, who we definitely know. It'll be very interesting. I like when people step outside of their wheelhouse. So to see it being a conductor to me is hard work. Sure, I can play the virtual reality game all day long, but it's there's something to it. People just look at it and like, oh, this dude's just up there waving his arms. But there's so much more to it. It's so much more in depth. It's so much more deep. Like this, some outside of my realm of thinking kind of thing. So let's jump in. Let's check it out together. See what she did. We have seen someone play the typewriter before with the orchestra. Let's see what she did with it.
Hier zijn Laura Trompetter en Leona Filippo.
I love we keep some humor with it.
Really? Yeah?
Look, you can get them to laugh. I'm telling you, that's a good start.
Was een forte? Zo, gevaarlijk.
Mooi, mooi.
You got some character. I love it. You gotta have a kind of character.
Maar dat stuk zit ook in haar kop, man. Jezus. Zo.
We zijn midwippen met haar, hè? Ze is echt een één grote rat.
I love her already.
En ze houdt strak haar tempo in de rechterarm, hè?
I've got to see more of this show because it was pretty spectacular. Her facial expressions are to die for. Brilliant work on the typewriter as well. Hey, spectacular performance. Seriously, now I'm going to have to go on a journey and watch more of this maestro show. Get over, show Laura Trompetter all the love of the world. Go show Leona Filippo the love. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. If you watched the show, what's the best? Who's the best? Who was the best? Let me know down below. Tell the next one of my combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, but let me to the moon, the back, peace.